Learn English to Gujarati with I am here and
તમે અહીં છો?
funny daily sentences. Welcome in your mission. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny comedy of confusion, coffee, and people standing in the wrong places. Relax, listen, and repeat out loud. Welcome, language adventurer. Today your job is simple. Survive a day of very basic sentences and very questionable life choices. You will hear where people are, how they feel, and why someone is definitely late again. By the end, you will know how to say,
હું અહીં છું.
meaning, I am here, and ask,
તમે અહીં છો?
meaning, are you here? If that sounds easy, excellent. If it sounds hard, also excellent. We call that suspense. The great missing person drama. Let's start with location, because apparently nobody in this story can stand in one obvious place. Listen closely and picture the scene. I arrive at the meeting point and wave like a dramatic movie hero.
હું અહીં છું.
That means, I am here. But my friend is across the room, near a chair, near a plant, pretending to be invisible. So I point and think.
તમે ત્યાં છો.
You are there. Then I walk into the room and call out.
તમે અહીં છો?
Are you here? My friend answers nothing for 3 long seconds, which is how friendships become detective work. So I say it again, with more confusion and less dignity.
તમે અહીં છો?
Finally a voice says, why are you shouting?
હું અહીં છું.
Single quote. Where is everyone? Now let's meet the rest of the cast, who are all somewhere very specific. Conveniently, that helps you learn. Ravi is not outside, not at the store, not on the moon.
તે ઘરે છે.
He is at home. Meena is busy, serious, and probably using a keyboard louder than necessary.
તે ઓફિસમાં છે.
She is in the office. And the neighbors? Today they have cancelled all ambitious plans.
આજે તેઓ ઘરે છે.
Today they are at home. You can imagine the conversation. Where is he?
તે ઘરે છે.
Where is she?
તે ઓફિસમાં છે.
Where are they today?
આજે તેઓ ઘરે છે.
Weather and feelings, a tragic combination. Now the plot gets deeper, which is to say, someone is cold and everyone is tired. Very educational misery. I open the door, step outside, and immediately regret everything.
ઠંડી છે.
It is cold. After walking around looking for people who were home the whole time, we collapse onto a bench.
અમે થાકેલા છીએ.
We are tired. So the full emotional report is simple.
ઠંડી છે.
And,
અમે થાકેલા છીએ.
in other words, the weather is cold, the group is tired, and the snacks should arrive immediately. The late person arrives. Every language lesson needs one person who appears late and acts surprised about it. Here comes that person. A door opens. Footsteps run down the hall. A bag falls. Someone says, sorry, traffic, time, clocks, destiny. We all look at this chaotic human and say,
તમે મોડા છો.
that means, you are late. The late person points at us and says, but you are all tired. Fair point. So we answer proudly.
અમે થાકેલા છીએ.
The late person steps outside, shivers, and says,
ઠંડી છે.
congratulations. Even the irresponsible character is learning Gujarati. Repeat after me. Now you do the speaking. Repeat each Gujarati sentence after the pause, like a confident superstar or at least a brave beginner. I am here.
હું અહીં છું.
You are there.
તમે ત્યાં છો.
He is at home.
તે ઘરે છે.
She is in the office.
તે ઓફિસમાં છે.
It is cold.
ઠંડી છે.
We are tired.
અમે થાકેલા છીએ.
You are late.
તમે મોડા છો.
Today they are at home.
આજે તેઓ ઘરે છે.
Are you here?
તમે અહીં છો.
Mini quiz of glory. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure. The funny kind. How do you say, I am here?
હું અહીં છું.
How do you say, you are there?
તમે ત્યાં છો.
How do you say, he is at home?
તે ઘરે છે.
How do you say, she is in the office?
તે ઓફિસમાં છે.
How do you say, it is cold?
ઠંડી છે.
How do you say, we are tired?
અમે થાકેલા છીએ.
How do you say, you are late?
તમે મોડા છો.
How do you say, today they are at home?
આજે તેઓ ઘરે છે.
How do you say, are you here?
તમે અહીં છો.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You survived the missing friends, cold weather, tired group, and late arrival. Honestly, that is real progress. Today you practiced practical Gujarati sentences for presence, location, weather, and feelings. Keep repeating them aloud.
હું અહીં છું. તમે ત્યાં છો. તે ઘરે છે. તે ઓફિસમાં છે. ઠંડી છે. અમે થાકેલા છીએ. તમે મોડા છો. આજે તેઓ ઘરે છે.
And
તમે અહીં છો.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep listening, and next time try using one of these sentences in real life without accusing the wrong person of being late.